The big day has arrived and it's time for our students to be officially enrolled at Plovdiv Medical University. During enrolment, students are required to sign an agreement between themselves and the university. We help facilitate this process as our experienced team guides every student through the paperwork and aids in any translation required. Once enrolled, our students receive their student books and ID cards. All done. Time for a group photo. Once the formalities are out of the way, we take our students on an exclusive tour around the campus. This helps our students become familiar with where every classroom is for their studies. Our friendly team members are always found on campus with the MedConnect t-shirt and are ready to help no matter what our students need.